Tighter. We got to tighten that bolt. Down. Go ahead. Crank it down. Up. Down. Up. Get it back on that nut. Down. Tighten it up. Tighten.
Down.
Crank it down. Let's go. Go ahead. That's it. Tighten it up. You're only 2, so you should have some mechanical skills by now. Okay, tighten. That's it. Do it again. Tighten.
Down.
Tighten her up, Tigri. Tighten.
Down.
Up. Down. Pay attention to me, not your mom. She doesn't know how to do this. Tighten. Go ahead. That's it. And again. And again. Okay. Is it tight enough, do you think? Have you developed the feel for how tight a bolt should be at 2.5? You don't want to snap it. You don't want it to be too loose, do you? No. Okay, go ahead. Tighten her up. We don't want to fall off of this bike. That's it. Yeah.